Boys and girls, I'm going to take you behind the barn door to meet this panda cow. And he's going to give you the biggest moo. Coming over here to talk to me? Are you coming over here to talk to me? Hi! Oh my gosh! Look at that mouth, boys. Going, hi! And look at that eye. Yes, look at that eye. Look at me! Hi! Hi there! You got the panda eyes, all right, because you're a panda cow. Yes, there's that eye, boys and girls. There's that panda eye. Come on, panda cow. Come on, panda cow. Move for us. Move for us, big boy. Come on, moo. That's it. Let them know you're a mooer, huh? Wow, let's count the moos, boys and girls. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What kind of mooing is that? Whoa! You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie, yes. We love you. We love you. You're hungry, huh? You want them to know. You want Farmer McDonald to know that you're hungry. A panda cow has the same markings as a giant panda. A panda cow has a black body, white belt around the midsection, white face, black ears, black nose, and a black ring around each eye. Are you hungry too? Huh? You hungry too? And there's our friend down there. Ooh, that's a little moo. You got a bigger moo, huh? Do you have a bigger one? Do you hear it? Do you hear Farmer McDonald? He's coming. I think he hears you. Oh, I hear. Oh, here he comes. There it is. Farmer McDonald's feeding the animals, the cows. And the pigs need some grain over there, but not hay. Hey. Piglets, only 2 are left. These piglets are gonna grow up to become mama pigs here on the farm. Hi, you guys are the only 2 left, huh? And you're gonna be mamas one day. Yes.